everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Let's go ahead and get started. Get your saucepan ready. I went ahead and put the oil in it, made sure it was hot, and now I'm adding the sausage and the diced up onions. Slice them to your liking. I like them to be kind of skinny, so they can cook together with the sausage. Go ahead and stir and let that fry up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn down the heat to medium heat. So that's about a 5 on my stove. Here I'll be adding my Hunt's tomato paste. Sorry about the way I positioned that camera. I like it when it looks more like it can fit your TV screen. So that's bugging me. I added 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the sausage and onion. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir. Make sure it has an even distribution, so it can cook evenly. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Maggie to it. You can break it up and put it inside, or you can just put it inside and use a spoon to mash it up and then stir. Gonna go ahead and add the vegetables now. It was just some frozen vegetables I had left in the fridge. I popped it in the microwave and I warmed it for a bit. I'm also adding some stock powder and chili powder pepper, because we like pepper in my house. The pepper is optional, and obviously the seasoning is optional as well. Definitely do it to your taste. Okay, I don't like salty food, but I do like for my food to taste nice and well seasoned. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir. Stir again. Make sure everything is evenly distributed while it cooks. And so it's been about 10 minutes. I like to use Jasmine rice. We're going to go ahead and pour our rice inside and stir that evenly as well. By the way, when you're seasoning the sauce, make sure you're seasoning enough for the rice to have some taste to it. So you want it to be a bit concentrated in the seasoning section. I always put more salt than the sauce actually needs so that the rice can have enough enough salt, so that the taste can be even and perfect, okay? If you're a jollof maker, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Go ahead and stir that up. And for me, I don't like to add the water right away. I like to just cover it and let it sit for another 10 minutes before I add water. I'm going to go ahead and add the water. What I do is, let's say if I'm cooking a cup of rice, I'm going to use a cup and a half of water. I'm not going to use 2 cups of water according to the label, because what happens is that I feel like the sauce equates to half of that water. I do not want soggy rice. I want my rice to be nice and separated and grain by grain, okay? So for that rule of thumb, that's what I do. And it turns out perfectly and beautifully every time. Stir it up, make sure it's even, cover it up. I like to cook rice on medium-high. And then I let it cook, depending on the quantity. This was about a cup and a half, so I let it cook for 15 minutes. Let's check on it. So it's not ready yet, so we're just gonna stir it up a bit. After I stir, I'm just going to turn the heat down to a 2. So that's low on my stove, and let it cook for an additional 10 minutes, and that should do it. Stir it up real good. We want that thing to be evenly distributed and evenly cooked. And your rice is done. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.